Hello to all IB students and everyone else watching this video. Often we have to write an essay and we get an essay question. To find sources, we use Google. A study has shown that 3 out of 4 students use Google in a correct but insufficient manner. So use Google correctly. We will look at an exam style question from geography and we will use Google tools to find the optimal sources. Here's the exam style question. Gender inequality exists to some extent in most areas of society in all countries of the world. Geographically, examine the statement. The first thing you should do is highlight the key points that you will use to Google. This is important because Google can't work with questions and complete sentences. The less words you have, the better. The first keywords are gender inequality, then in society, and countries. We will use these 4 words to optimize a Google search. So let's go to Google. First thing will be typing in the words we selected. Gender inequality in society in countries. To be more specific, we will take out in society for now. We have 3 main words with which Google can work optimal. Now let's use the Google search tools. Even though we can go through here already and search out some good sources, we can use this Google search tools to make our search optimal. For example, if we want a specific country as an example for our essay, we could write Niger, but to specify this, we would put this into quotation marks. This means that the sources all have Niger as a word. You can also put in phrases or complete sentences. If we don't want to focus on social, but many sources include the social factors, we can use the minus symbol and then social. Now there are no sources containing social. If we want to search for sources that relate to the sickness AIDS, now we would get gender inequality in countries and in the country Niger that are relevant to AIDS. We can go and find file types. We can search texts in title. We can search in text, which would mean in the text of the source, in the body, paragraphs, and so on. Or in URL, the word Niger in the URL. And because we're already talking about the URL, we can specify the website on which we would want to search. If there's a website that provides a lot of information, but there's no search function on the website, you can use Google to search through the content of the website. As a bad example, but everyone knows Facebook site, facebook.com, and it'll search Facebook for gender inequality in the country and specifying as Niger. Maybe you don't mind if Niger or Germany. Now it will find sources containing either Germany and Niger or Niger or Germany. But each source contains at least one of those keywords. If you don't know how to write inequality, or you forgot the word, you can replace any word by a little star, and it'll search everything that might be replaced by the star. You can definitely use this when you use quotation marks, gender something, and it'll definitely give you gender equality as an example. Gender discrimination, gender inequality. Thank you for watching. I hope you can use this for your next essay task.